Thanks for interesting to know about Knowledge Broker Blueprint, KBB 2020. What is the Knowledge Business Blueprint? The Knowledge Business Blueprint is an e-learning software course that teaches entrepreneurs how to leverage individual knowledge and profit from it by helping their own businesses or other companies excel at what they do. More specifically, students will learn how to use the unique insights and knowledge to create successful businesses that generate profits. When the Knowledge Business Blueprint, KBB 1.0, first released in the spring of 2019, Tony and Dean welcomed over 200,000 people to watch the live virtual party and nearly 20,000 joined the mastermind community. Click the link below in this video for more new updates. Now, the upgraded and updated Knowledge Broker Blueprint, KBB 2.0, method is set to do its part in helping transform the personal development industry by taking full advantage of the e-learning self-improvement market by giving its members a leg up on the competition with its training course, Mindmint software and coaching program. The reason the new Knowledge Broker Blueprint launch prompted BitcoinExchangeGuide.com to release an announcement about its free live virtual party event is multi-layered. From knowing how important personal growth and mentorship is, to joining a like-minded community of aspiring entrepreneurs and go-getters, hi crypto family. To Tony Robbins featuring Bitcoin on his blog, Twitter account and best-selling book Money Master the Game, 7 Simple Steps to Financial Freedom, there are many reasons to align with the Knowledge Broker Blueprint method. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more new updates.